How to create a Wattpad account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Wattpad application on your device, and just in case if you do not have the application, then you can download it from your App Store or your Play Store. Once opened, you will see various options to sign up, such as signing up with Google or Facebook or Apple. You will also see the option to sign up with email. So go ahead and choose the option that suits your preference the best. In today's video, I will sign up using my email. So if you are signing up using email too, then tap on the sign up with email option. Now go ahead and enter your email, username, birth date, and pronounce, which is optional. Further, tap on the continue button. Now go ahead and enter your password. Make sure to follow the password requirements shown on the screen in order to make your password eligible. Further, tap on the terms and conditions checkbox you see there and then tap on the sign up button, and with this, your new account for Wattpad will be created. So, this is how you can create a Wattpad account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.